In other news, the Principal Secretary for Industrialization, Juma Mukhwana, is calling for the alignment of technical regulations to allow free flow of goods within the African continent. Speaking during the 14th African Accreditation Corporation General Assembly, Mukhwana noted that the abolishment of visa requirements and the provision of internationally recognized accreditation standards across the continent will position Africa as a premier investment destination.
Way to remember the business card you will receive after that.
The Departmental Committee on Trade, Industry and Cooperatives is one of the Departmental Committee of the National Assembly established under Standing Orders 2 and 6 and is mandated inter alia consider all matters relating to trade, industry and cooperatives. We are particularly keen to appraise ourselves on how to strengthen the conformance to standards, technical infrastructure, and to build confidence in Kenya products and services locally and globally. It is important to note that Kenya contributes Kenya's development agenda by promoting the use of accreditation and the acceptance of equivalence of accredited bodies worldwide as means for facilitating trade, enhancing economic, continuous managing and mitigating risks to quality, health, safety, environment, and consumer protection.
It's do or die as Harambee Starlets take on Cameroon in their return leg at Nyayo Stadium tomorrow.